Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Today our lecture is about the purpose of admixtures in concrete. That why we use the admixtures in concrete. Admixtures are special constituent of concrete that we use in concrete because we need for sometimes for the workability, to increase the workability of concrete. Sometimes we need to produce the high strength concrete, and sometimes we need to resist the thawing and freezing action of concrete and the retardation of concrete. The early strength of the concrete are to increase the to reduce the heat of hydration of concrete. So there are many purposes of the admixtures in concrete. I will explain in detail the purpose of admixtures in concrete. So there are mainly two types of the admixtures which are used in concrete. The first one is the mineral admixture. Mineral admixtures, they have their own purposes, and the other one is the chemical admixtures. Chemical admixtures, and they have their own purposes that when we use in the concrete. The first one, the mineral admixture, the property for the mineral admixture is that it makes the concrete durable. It means it increases the durability of the concrete, makes the concrete durable. It increases the durability of the concrete. The mineral admixtures, the purpose is it makes the concrete durable, having long life. The second one is it reduces the heat of hydration. It reduces the heat of hydration of concrete. Reduce of, or we can say reduce the heat of hydration. What does it mean? It means when we place the concrete in a structure member, so there is a heat of hydration produced because of the chemical reaction between the cement constituent and the water. So it is an exothermic reaction, and it releases a huge amount of energy which increases the internal temperature of the concrete. So, and it may cause the thermal cracks in the concrete because of this increased temperature during the hydration of concrete. So what we do, we place the mineral admixture, and it reduces the heat of hydration, which is good to reduce the thermal cracks in the concrete. This is the second purpose of the heat that it reduces the heat of hydration. The third purpose is that it makes the concrete more economical. It means we don't have to lose a lot of money on making the concrete, but it can make properties to the concrete which makes it economical by using the mineral admixtures. The fourth one is that it makes the concrete more friendly, more eco-friendly. It means the environmental friendly concrete. Yeah, it means that it does not emit too much gases from the concrete which are affected to the environment, but it makes the concrete more eco-friendly. So there is no disadvantage by using these admixtures in the concrete. The fifth one is advantage of this mineral admixture is that it increases the strength of the concrete. When we want to have the high strength of the concrete, then we place the mineral admixtures to increase the strength. So it increases the strength of the concrete. These are the five main purposes of the mineral admixtures. Now coming to the chemical admixtures, the first purpose of the chemical admixture is that it increases the workability of the concrete. So we can write it here, high workability. Workability, it means that the flowing of concrete. Concrete can flow easily in the structure, so we can get the good structure member because of the workability. So it can be easily mixed, and it can easily be workable during construction. The second one is the second purpose of the chemical admixture is that it increases the acceleration time. So acceleration of setting. Acceleration of setting time. It means that when we place the concrete, so it increases the hydration reaction between the concrete, and we can achieve the strength of the concrete in early stages. if you have the concrete designed for, like, it can achieve the strength in 28 days or something, but with the help of this admixture it can increase the strength at early stages. Like we can achieve the strength in 28 days, but now we can achieve the strength in 20 days or 18 days. So it increases the hydration reaction in the concrete, and we can achieve the early strength concrete. And there are also some admixtures in the chemical which are coming under the chemical admixture. It also reduces the setting time, so retardation of setting. Retardation of setting time. Sometimes we need to reduce the setting of the concrete time, so we use this type of admixture which is coming under the chemical admixtures. There are different types under the chemical admixture and also under the mineral admixtures, but these are the purposes that what they are doing inside the concrete. So there are also some admixtures under the chemical admixture which used to reduce the setting time of the concrete. Number fourth property of the chemical admixture is the density control. Density control. It means that we can produce the lightweight concrete with the help of chemical admixtures. Produce lightweight concrete. Lightweight means that we have some of the forms produced inside the concrete, and these forms fill the volume of the concrete, and it produces the lightweight concrete, which is not mostly used for to reduce the heavy load, but to place and make the concrete structure. So this is what the advantages and this is what the purposes of the admixture, that why we use admixtures. We have different purposes. Sometimes we have to make the durable concrete, reduce the heat of vibration, make the economical concrete, make the eco-friendly. Strength of the concrete can be increased with the help of the mineral admixtures, and also the strength of the concrete is also being increased by the chemical admixtures. Increased strength of the concrete. Similarly, we have high workability, acceleration of the time, the retardation of the time, density control, producing lightweight concrete, it means, and increasing the strength. Hope you guys understand that why we use the admixtures in concrete. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching my video.